We got chinos. So this is chicken and garlic sauce with spicy with broccoli added. Sweet and sour chicken with the sauce on the side. Here's the sauce. I had a shrimp egg roll devoured. I want to take a sip of this and eat this first, guys. Oh, wonton soup. It's been so long. I used to love wonton soup. Ooh, so good. This is a Chinese spot called Empire 19. I think this is my second time trying them, but they have Japanese food as well. I'm fake hungover. I was outside yesterday with my friends. Sorry, this is hot. I was outside yesterday with my friends. I got home like at 4 in the morning. I don't typically go out, but yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so soothing. I've been on my miso soup, but I'm kind of like over it already. I already wore it out. Mm, so delicious, so hot too. I have to improvise, guys. Mm, mm. Jumping, amazing. Egg drop soup. Let's see. It's always a hit or miss with the egg drop soup, guys. We could use a little more seasoning, but it's delicious. Next. Oh, and it weighs. This is the chicken and garlic sauce with broccoli added, and it weighs a ton. Like, this could probably feed 3 people easily. I haven't eaten in like a week, respectfully. So I'm indulging. I got 2 plates of food plus the soup, and I don't feel guilty at all. I haven't been eating, I've been stressed out. So, yeah, let's get to it. This is what it's looking like. Let's see how this is. Oh, hopefully, they didn't make it too spicy. I have my thumbs on deck though. All right. Mm. It has a hint of sweetness. Delicious. Mm.